Hi there, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com, and in this video I'm going to be answering a question that I received in a recent live stream about using our adhesive sheets. So they come in this pack of 6 by 12 sheets, and I'm going to use this mini alphabet die and cut my paper, my cardstock, which will be used through the die cutting machine. And so I want to measure this to see how big I need my cardstock. So this is important, especially when you're using the adhesive sheet, so that you cut just the right amount of adhesive to cover the back of your paper. So with this, it's the black cardstock that I'm using, and I'm going to need a piece of the adhesive sheet. I've already used a partial piece, so I'm cutting it the same width as I did the black cardstock, and then I'm going to put it on the back. I have a little excess, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut that off with my paper snips. Now, if I was using pattern paper, I would put the adhesive sheet on the wrong side, or the side that I didn't want to show, so that when I ran it through, it would make a sticker of whatever image or die that I was cutting. So these have protected papers that are cut in 3 different places, which make it easy, and I just take off one at a time, pull it off, and then lay it flat on my paper there. On this one, I started pulling it up and it was a little stringy there, so I decided to try the other side to not pull up that adhesive, and that worked. And then I'll just finish pressing that down. So now I have my die, and you want to put that face down on the cardstock side and run it through your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine or die cutting machine. So now when I pull that off, I have the adhesive sheet stuck to the entire back, and the letters just can be punched out as I need to use them. And I like to store these small dies, especially these alphabet ones, in a container so I can pick and choose the letters that I want to use. So I hope you'll try using our adhesive sheets on your next die cutting project. It sure makes it easy when you have those small dies to put onto a project. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and visit my website at InkandInspirations.com. This is Lisa Brown, inspiring you to create, share, and make a difference.